Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to make some festive Christmas crinkles cookies. They are easy to make and they are delicious and great for the festive holiday. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much. And if it's the first time you're visiting, welcome. Please hit the red button and join the family. So let's head straight to the kitchen, guys. All the ingredients. Here I have flour. Here I have an egg, almond essence, vanilla, butter, baking soda, sugar, and we're going to need red food coloring and green food coloring. And here is the process of mixing. I'm going to combine my sugar and butter until it's light and fluffy. Then we go on to the next step. Now add the egg, vanilla, and almond essence and mix to combine. Point, I'm going to add the baking soda, mix to combine. Then I'm going to add the flour, mix to form a dough. Then we go on to the next step. Our cookie dough has formed. Now I'm going to divide the dough into 2 bowls. I'm going to color one red and the other green. Then we move on. Guys, I'm using the liquid food coloring, but it's best to use the gel food coloring, okay? But I'm just using what I have home. While working with whichever color you're working with first, just place the bowl with the other one in the fridge in the meanwhile, okay? Now for making the crinkles, I'm going to make some balls. Then I'm going to roll it in the powdered sugar and place on my cookie sheet. And I'm going to bake these for 9 to 10 minutes. After baking, put on a cooling rack and allow to cool, and then we can enjoy. Here are our crinkles, guys, fresh from the oven. Now I'm going to place them on the cooling rack and allow them to cool down. And here you have it, guys, the final product. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And give me a thumbs up, guys. And please turn the notification bell on so as soon as I drop a new video, you will be notified. Guys, so much for watching. And happy holidays from my family to yours. And thank you all so much, guys. And as usual, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Bye.